Hello traders, and welcome to another video analysis. Today we are going to take a look at the Lisk quoted to American dollar pair, and this is daily time frame chart. As you can see here, this analysis will be made on Wednesday the 20th of the November 2019. So here we go. The Lisk, which is right now, as you can see, around the level of 0.75 as far as I can see, so it's right about here. There is a couple of things I have on my chart, so I would like to explain why I have it. The first thing is this long-term trend line. As you can see here, we have tested this trend lines on every of this blue line. So those are the levels that the trend line was tested, and as you can see here, when we went down towards the 0.02 level, so basically around $1 per Lisk, we can see here that there is a breakout, then there's a rally attempt, and there is another lower high, excuse me, and then we got the test from above of this trend line, and after the test the market enters the this kind of a consolidation phase. So right now, in my opinion, since like in October, let's say 2019, the Lisk market is in a consolidation phase, and it might be building a base for a further rally, right? This is what I think. Why? Because this trend line has been broken and tested, and there is no rally higher towards, for example, 0.02 or 1.02 or 1.16, of course. But as you can see here, the low of the year at 0.63 was made at the end of the October. There was a bounce from this level, and still the price is locked inside of this narrow trading zone. So this trading zone is a very good zone to accumulate more Lisk. Why? Because this level 0.63 is the low of the year. This is the lowest level Lisk was this year, 2019. So basically that means it's pretty cheap. Of course it might get even cheaper. That means the market might break down right through the level of 0.63 and go to, for example, to $0.50 per Lisk. Yes, that can happen, but right now the market conditions are extremely oversold. The Lisk itself is kind of a cheap, and it's definitely on the lowest level this year. So this might be a kind of a base building for eventual move higher. Whether that move higher will be a new trend or just a corrective bounce, just a little bit higher than usual, for example, to the level of 1.02 or 1.16 or even 1.48, we will see, right? But this is pretty much good area to accumulate some risk, just from the pure technical point of view. The one thing that worries on this chart is that there is no momentum to the upside present on the oscillator. As you can see here, we are still below the zero line, just barely moved a little bit here above the zero line. What we want to see is of course is a green set of green bars here that will assure market participants that the eventual move higher has a momentum in the background. So that means it's really important and a true move higher. So if there is no momentum behind the move up, then basically the move will likely to be like a kind of a continuation move, like a correction continuation or downtrend continuation move. So we are waiting for the momentum to build a little bit more than it is right now. And for example, if the momentum will break below above the level of zero, then we should see some kind of a bullish price action here, of course. So this is my analysis for the Lisk, right? This analysis is valid for the next at least 1 week, but I think it might be even longer. So please notice that this is not like a immediate kind of analysis for right now on the Lisk market. So thank you very much for watching, and happy trading, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.